Hamilton Beach 2-way Brewer coffee maker, single serve and 12-cup pot, stainless steel, 49,988, Carafe. Brew 2 ways, enjoy either a single serve cup, travel mug not included, or full pot of coffee with the 12-cup Carafe. Fully programmable, wake up to a hot cup of coffee with fully programmable functionality and auto shut-off. Adjusts to your cup, can brew directly into the Carafe, a travel mug, not included, or a short cup. Convenient single serve, brew a cup for one using loose, ground coffee. Smart features, includes brew strength selector, regular or bold, keep hot warming plate and more. Note: refer to the PDF attached below and technical specification for manual and troubleshooting is on page 12 to 14. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.